Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm very glad to introduce you to a new app, and this app can help you watch any movies, TV series, anime, cartoon in your smartphone very easily and with easy access. So first we start by going to the Play Store. Here we have to search for iFlix. You can see I have already installed this app. All you have to do is download and install it. So we have to open to proceed. As you can see, this iFlix is almost like Netflix, but this is an easier and cheaper version of the Netflix. In the Netflix you have to pay a lot of money monthly, but in the iFlix you already get a 1 month trial, and for certain phone carriers you can get 3 month trials, and by using different emails you can watch any series or cartoon or TV for a very long time, and if you keep changing your email so by making a new email every month you can watch this iFlix for a very long time. The library here is very big. It may not be as big as Netflix's, but all its contents are free for a whole month, so it's very easy to watch. I am very glad to have shared this with you. This has made my life easier, as now I don't have to pay to watch all the contents. So bye for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment.